Oh, how about that?
Can't say anything. Good Lord.
Ah,
This is where we all cry.
It's nicer at home.
My gosh, you overdid it. Man, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I mean, you spent all day with us. You listened to what we were looking for.
yeah.
You figured it out. You said, all right, here's what you need, and we can make it into what you want. I don't even, I don't speak for it.
So we turned a hotel room basically into this. No, I mean, you did perfect. There's not one thing in here that I see that I would change. Nothing. Gary, this is unbelievable.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
Yeah, I mean, this is not what we. This is not what we thought. No, I mean, it just doesn't look like the same even room.